Hello there everyone. So what are we going to do now? We are going to draw this cute little blue bird. And you know, according to me, all birds bring happiness and joy. And this little blue bird is here to bring you lots of happiness and joy. So let's begin drawing it. You take your pencil and make a line across your page like this. From here, get it back and out again, and we are making the branches where our little bird is going to sit. So from here, let's make one leaf. You can make two also if you want. And out here, one and two. So I've made two leaves here. You can make another one here. That's if you wish and you want to. Out here, let's start drawing the bird. We start with the beak. So make a triangle. Okay, and out here, make a small triangle like this. Another triangle. So we made the beak. Okay, from here, take a line out like this. From here, take a line out like this. Here, here, and let's join them. Okay, from here, one out, another one out, and one up and down, and continue from here and join it. Okay, from here, zigzag, zigzag, zig. Make one line here and one line here. Zigzag, zigzag, zig. Zigzag, zigzag, zig. Okay, from here, let's make little feathers coming out. Again, let's make little feathers here and there and just join it. Okay, now you can put a little fluffy feather here too. Make one line here and one line here and join it to make the eyes. From here, make an arc. From here, make an arc. And remember again, two little circles that you will leave white when you make the rest of the eyeball black. And here we have a little blue bird for you. So draw it well, color it and send it to us. Bye bye.